Salutations, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I'm taking my lime crime hair. This is the color Leeloo. So we're just taking some of these products to help. I don't have any gloves, so I'm just going to use my fingers. So I'm just pouring that in my dish, and I'm starting in the back, working my way up to the top of my head. Just trying to make sure I put the product everywhere. And even at the beginning and on the sides, making sure I'm not missing any product. Then I'm putting my cap on, just a plastic cap, and then just doing it for 20 minutes. So I'm just putting this clay mask on. And this is the one that you don't peel off, you wash off. So I'm just putting that all over my face while I continue to wait for that color to set in. All right, so now that it's done, my hair looks like Flaming Hot Cheetos. So I'm just gonna pin it to the side. I did it actually 2-strand twist. So I'm spraying my Lush toner water all over my face. And now I'm taking Smashbox Photo Finish. This is another different primer. So I go in between primers because I ran out of my first Ollie. So I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow pomade in dark brown. I'm beginning to just sculpt my eyebrows. All right, next I'm taking my NYX concealer in the small brush and beginning to use that concealer below and above my eyebrows, just kind of sculpting it to make that perfect brow. This is actually a good brow day for me. I didn't struggle too much. The more you do it, the better you'll get. So I don't want people thinking, oh my God, it's so perfect. No, I've done this continuously. So now I'm starting to blend my brows out, blend that concealer out very carefully towards the beginning of my eyebrows, blending in towards the middle of my nose. Continue to blend so it makes a slight unibrow, and then I brush up at the beginning of my brows, feathering it. Now that it's perfect, I get hype. I had to cover that up. I actually had a white camisole on, so I had to cover it up with another shirt. So I'm taking my Pro Concealer and putting that on the darker spots of my face and starting to blend that out. So I'm taking my NYX Liquid Illuminator, my Bare Minerals in Chai foundation, and I'm just going to blend that in all over my face. Making sure I get around my mouth and where I had put that darker concealer. So there's the NARS, and I'm putting that in the bridge of my nose, of course, my forehead, chin, and under my eyes. So now I'm blending that out. Awesome concealer, is just a little pricey. So now I'm taking my Caramel by Ruby Kisses and putting that on both sides of my nose. And I'm taking my Fit in Coconut, putting that under my eyes and the bridge of my nose. Then I'll take a bigger brush and begin to blend that out. So I'm going back in with Caramel by Ruby Kisses and putting that on the outer perimeter of my face. So next I'm taking Versali Unicorn Essence. It's a primer. And I'm putting this on my eyes and I'm going to blend it out. So I'm taking Lime Crime. It's a lipstick color. That's what it looks like upon the skin. So I'm using it as a base right in my crease and blending it out. So I begin to take some tape so that it can create a sharp line for when I smoke everything out. So next I'm taking the red color in the Watch Me Blush palette. It's called Cranberry. And I'm putting that in the crease with a small detailing brush on both eyes. And now I'm going to take Tangerine, and with a blending brush, I'm going to blend it out. So now you see it's not so harsh. So next I'm taking a NYX loose pigment and putting that on my lids. But first I'm taking the a liquid illuminator just so that my lids can pop with that color. And then I'm blending back with cranberry and berries. And now I'm taking Old Banana and putting that just right under my eyebrows. Taking the tape off. And now I'm putting cranberry directly under my eyes. And now I'm taking berries and putting that under the eye as well, kind of smudging it out. Putting a liquid illuminator on both sides and the bridge of my nose and the beginning of my eyes. And putting Old Banana in those spots as well. Favorite color in the world. Look at that. Look at that. No Photoshop, like. Putting it on my lips as well because I'm extra. So I'm taking Kat Von D's tattoo liner, beginning to line my eyes. And of course, I'm going to take the best mascara, Better Than Sex. I'm beginning to put that on my lashes. So I'm taking Club Hopper by NYX, beginning to line my lips. I'm not going to fill it in, just lining it just a little bit because I'm going back in with the Lime Crime color that I use on my lids, and I'm putting that on my lips. So I'm kind of trying to blend that in just a little bit. Going back in with Club Hopper. Trying to get that perfect ombre color so that the lines aren't so harsh. I'm blending it. And I'm basically done. I took my 2-strand twist out. And your girl is set. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you subscribe, you like and comment. Yeah, I love Flame Hot Cheetos. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.